How to set up lock screen time on iPhone. So if your iPhone screen time or timeout locks your iPhone screen very fast, like it locks your iPhone screen under 30 seconds, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily change the screen time lock time, or how you can easily increase or set it to never so that your iPhone screen will remain active and it will never lock. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to set up lock screen time on iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on the settings app. Then on settings page on your iPhone, scroll down the page, scroll down and click on display and brightness. Then on the display and brightness page, scroll down the page, locate auto lock and click on that. So this is where you can easily set up your lock screen time on your iPhone. By default, the auto lock is going to set to 30 seconds. Then after 30 seconds, your iPhone screen is going to turn off, and then you may need to double tap the iPhone screen or press the side button to wake the screen. However, to increase the screen time, you can choose between 1 and never. So if you select 1, that shows your iPhone screen will be active for 1 minute before it goes off. And if you select 5 minutes, it's going to stay for 5 minutes before the screen is off. However, to never let your iPhone screen turn off, just go ahead and select never. Then this may consume more energy, but your iPhone screen will remain active unless or until you press the side button. So advisably, I always set my auto lock to 3 minutes so that after 3 minutes, the iPhone screen will go off. So that is basically how to set up lock screen time on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.